friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. I'm here to proceed further with the catalog management section in which I'll guide you how you need to create categories. So click on catalog and further it will provide option for the categories section. Click on categories. Over here you need to click on the plus icon in order to create new category. So click on that. It will provide you the category detail page in which you need to fill all the information based upon the category that you want to create. So please go ahead and fill that. So as you can see, I have filled the name of the category and the root level. Suppose if you want to select it as a root category, and further if you can create more categories and add those categories as a subcategory to the root one. So in that way it will be configured. So now you can define the order of this category on the front end, like the order one. Basically it is defining the position of the category on the front end. Next, description of the category, you need to enter the details, and further you need to check mark this to make it active for the front end. For the banner image, you need to prepare a banner for this resolution to be getting a proper orientation and the images for the front end. So as of now, as I have some dummy images available, so I'm uploading it right here. I'm just selecting the folder, choosing the file from my system location. I have selected the banner image based upon this resolution. Further, you will be having another tab over here, SEO tab, in which the alias of this category will be defined. So you can enter the alias based upon your choice as well. Otherwise, it will just pick it from default from the category name that you have added. Further, we have more options that you can define the page title whenever this category page will be accessed in the front end. This page title will be reflected, and the meta description and the meta keywords as well, whether you want to insert the meta keywords for this specific page. So let's go ahead and fill that. So I have entered the page title, meta description, and the meta keywords and all. So you need to enter the meta keywords by comma separated values as I did. And now we have done with the SEO part. You can see that we have updated this name and all the details for the specific language. I have my store that you are going to create is in multi language. So for the specific language, we are going to create this category. And now once we have entered all the details, we need to click on save. So once we have saved it, you can see we are having the category name over here with zero number of products, like the products are not added yet, and it is active. And further, if you want to provide another name like in another language, like you have defined multiple languages for your store, so you need to provide another name for specifically for a specific language. So you need to click on edit and you need to select the language, and now you need to enter the details, the text that you have entered in the specific language that you have selected in French. So what we will do, you need to manually enter the name of the category, like I have just converted it over here, and I'll put it over here. In the same way, I'll just convert the name and translate and copy it, so that once the customer will switch it in the another language in French, then the details, the category name, description, and all the text that you have saved over here will be reflected in the specific language that you have selected. So let's do quickly for all of that text. So I have updated all the text in French, and now I'll save it. So now it has been saved in French as well. So what we will do is, once the customer will switch the category in English or French based upon the language that you have defined, the category name and all the details will reflect in that specific language, helping for a multilingual solution. So further in the next video tutorial, you will go through the detail how you need to create products and how you need to add those products in a specific category and all. So thank you for watching this video.